I wear my sunglasses at night so I can. Alright, just kidding. Sorry. Anywho, good evening. Coming to you live from the Malinowski residence here in Rochester. 7:30 on Wednesday. Woohoo. Yeah. So, notes for 7-5, area and perimeter. That's what the A and the P stand for. Crazy, I know. Area and perimeter of complex figures. So, complex. Complex, kind of like compound. If you think about a compound word like dog, house, you're taking two words that exist by themselves and you're putting them together to get a word. That's kind of what's going on with these complex figures here. We're taking two shapes that we commonly know, a rectangle and a rectangle, as you can see here in this example, and we're smooshing them together to get a different kind of a shape. So complex shapes are just multiple shapes kind of put together. So therefore, when you are looking at your area of complex figures, you want to be careful and you want to make sure that when you're doing the area, if you have multiple shapes, that means that you need to use multiple formulas. So area, you're going to need multiple shapes, means you're going to need to use multiple formulas. And so how you're basically going to do this, you're just going to split it apart. You're going to take that giant shape, you're going to cut it into shapes that you do know, and you're going to find the area separately. So what you're going to do is you're going to break the complex figure up into smaller shapes. And then naturally when you're done, because you'll have to take the two parts and you'll need to then add the parts. Add the parts. Boom. Okay, so that's area. Perimeter, we'll talk about that really quick, even though we've been talking about it for a couple days now. Perimeter. Perimeter, hopefully you're remembering that perimeter is adding or taking the sum. You add all the, that's a scrappy looking all, add all the outsides. Careful, remember I tried to trick you the other day and threw some of that, threw that inside height in there. Don't let me trick you. Don't let me trick you. She's tricky. I'm actually overtired. That's the problem. I need to go to bed. Okay. Yes, I do go to bed early. You don't need no comments from the peanut gallery.